Yan, nilagang ribs. Binisaya na luto. So, meron tayong sayote at some pork ribs. So, later on, ilagay natin yung cabbage. Cabbage overload. So, marami yan pero pag medyo nano na yan sa tubig, konti na lang yan. Okay. Yan guys. Tapos na. Ready to serve for dinner. Yan ang ating pork rib soup with cabbage and chayote and some other spices. Simpleng ulam, lutong bahay. Enjoy. How was it?
Good.
Approve. Approve daw guys.